Assalamu alaikum. This is Danial Iqbal, a junior year student of mechanical engineering at University of Engineering and Technology, Texla. Today, my topic for Speak Out for Engineering is solar water pump, a solution to agriculture sector of Pakistan. A solution to agriculture energy crisis. As all of us are well aware that since the establishment of Pakistan, our country is facing energy crisis. The major part of Pakistan's economy depend upon agriculture sector, and to increase the productivity of agriculture sector, we have to enhance the irrigation system for agriculture sector. So here is a supposed solution, that is solar water pump. Why solar water pump? As I discussed, solar water pump is essential to improve the efficiency of irrigation system. It is more reliable for farmers because its only initial cost is high as compared to other systems like diesel water pump or electric water pump. But when it is installed, there is no need to invest further in this system. This system is used for extracting water from deep surfaces, from deep wells, and it is economic friendly for oil and gas sector as well. The most important aspect of this system is that it is sustainable for environment because it doesn't cause for air pollution. It doesn't cause for ozone depletion and global warming as well. The design of solar water pump consists of three main components. The first component is solar panel. Solar panel is the most important and expensive component of solar water pump, and the size of solar plate depends upon the power required to run the pump. The plate may be fixed or automatic solar tracking. The next component is pump. Same like a solar plate, the pump also depends upon the needs and application required. Pump may be submersible pump where there is need to extract water from rivers, ponds, and lakes. We will use submersible pump. It has more efficiency as compared to non-submersible pump because it doesn't need to extract water from deep surfaces. It only pushes water and delivers it to the water reservoir or required head. While on the other hand, non-submersible pump is used where we have to extract water from the deep surfaces and deliver it to our destination. The third component is electronics component. The electronic component mainly consists of a on-off switch. A farmer can easily on or off the system by using on-off switch. And mostly the solar water pump contains AC pumps because solar plate generates DC current. So we have to establish such components which convert DC current into AC current for a thorough operation of pump. That's why electronics components are required for these systems. These are some solar energy based water lifting and pumping systems established both in deserts areas as well as in the areas where the water is in excess amount. In desert areas, because of hot weather conditions, the solar water pump system maybe has high importance. The solar plate generates electric current, which is used to run the pump, and the pump extracts water from the deep surfaces in desert areas where there is no electric grid stations. These systems are very important in these areas and should be installed to overcome the energy crisis and water requirements. In the areas where water is in excess amounts, like where rivers, oceans, lakes are easily available, these systems can be used to extract water from these water reservoirs like rivers, lakes, ponds to deliver to required destination, as well as to store the water into water reservoirs like tanks for later use. When there is a shortage of electricity or some other issues, we can easily use the stored water for irrigation system. Here is an overview of pump selection criteria for solar water pump. The selection criteria depends upon mainly on two factors. First one is flow rate, the water flow rate, and second one is head. Where there is a high head and low flow rate is needed, or where there is high pressure is required, then we will use positive displacement pumps like reciprocating pump. It may be reciprocating pump, rotary pump, or vane type pump. Because the positive displacement pumps, especially reciprocating pump, is used where we are required to deliver water from to extract water from deep surfaces and deliver it to onto high head. While on the other hand, where there is a high flow rate is required, and there is no need to deliver water on such a high head, then we will prefer centrifugal pump, because these pumps are efficient when high flow rate is concerned. This is the short overview of pump selection criteria for these solar water pump systems. Here is a user survey conducted in Pakistan highlighting the importance of these units. Ease of use. The solar water pump system is easily installed and easy to use. There is no hard and fast rule to install these systems. A moderate skilled labor can easily install these systems. Affordability. It is easily affordable, as nowadays the price of solar panels are decreasing day by day. So it can easily affordable by farmers. Availability. The system's component can easily available in cities area as well as in small cities. Uh, in the local markets of the cities, we can easily purchase the components and then assemble them to uh, to install the system. Fourth one is demand. As the developed countries are moving towards green energy solutions, so there is a huge demand of these systems in our country and other underdeveloped countries to to improve the economy of the countries. The last one is safety factor. As far as the safety factor of the pump is concerned, there is no risk of electric shock from the wires. While on the other side, in diesel pumps and electric pumps, there is a threat of electric shock, especially in electric pumps. Like our children or adults may be electrically shocked when they touch the system. Here is a comparison of the solar water pump system with diesel and electric pumps. The most important thing is it is the solar water pump is cost effective. As I discussed, it only requires initial cost in the installation process. When it is installed, it runs throughout the life, and its life is greater as compared to other systems. It is more reliable. There is no use of fuel in this system, because the fuel used in this system is only the light from the sun, that is a renewable energy source. So it is a fuel free system. Because it is a fuel free system, so there is a no use of lubrication in this system, and there is no wear and tear in these systems. So low maintenance cost is required in this system. While on the other hand, in diesel water pump and electric water pump systems, there is a high cost of maintenance, as well as the fuel prices are increasing nowadays. So the fuel prices as well as the transportation of fuel is more in diesel and electric pumps. So these are not cost effective as compared to the solar water pump. And our solar water pump system is environmental friendly because there is no need to burn fuel in these systems. So it is environment friendly and cause no water pollution and air pollution. So there is no ozone depletion and global warming threat in the usage of these systems. So that is a short comparison between diesel and electric pumps. Here are the applications in daily life of these systems. In oil and gas sector, there is a huge importance of solar water pump systems to extract oil from deep wells and to deliver the oils into oil tanks as well as at required heads. By using these systems, it may save the expenses of the company and play their vital role in the development of the country. In the Stirling engine, these systems are used to run the pump mechanically. The energy from the plate is used to run the pump mechanically. Last one, agriculture sector. Um, all from the conclusion, it is concluded that solar water pump is highly appreciated in the user in its use in agriculture sector, especially in irrigation system of agriculture sector. As solar water pump is used in the irrigation system to increase the productivity and fertility of the soil, to embellish the agriculture sector and to play its role in the development of the country, such as in Pakistan and other Asia's countries, where agriculture sector is the backbone of the economy of these countries. So these systems should be encouraged to establish as the developed countries are moving towards green energy solutions as compared to fossil fuels consumption systems like a diesel pump or electric pump. Because in our country, the prices of petroleum products as well as the unit per cost of electricity is increasing day by day. So I think this is the best solution to the agriculture sector for improving the irrigation system and to play the encouraging role in the development of our country. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for listening this video. Your questions and queries will be addressed in the live question and answer and question sessions. Thank you very much.